First, let's clarify. There is no iPhone Air. This guide applies to all compatible iPhones, likely iPhone 11 and later for full iOS 19 features. To check your current iOS version, go to Settings, then tap General. Next, tap About. Finally, find Software version. The latest stable version as of today, September 25th, 2025, is iOS 19.1. If you have an older iPhone, like an iPhone 7 or 8, note that iOS 19 may not be supported, as Apple typically offers 5 to 7 years of support. Updating ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. The easiest way to update is over the air. Connect to Wi-Fi, then go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Make sure your battery is at least 50% or plugged in, as the process takes 15 to 60 minutes. If OTA isn't working, you can use a computer. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC, open Finder on Mac or iTunes on PC, select your device, and click Check for Update. Ensure you back up your iPhone via iCloud or your computer before updating to avoid data loss. Finally, remember that early beta versions can have bugs, so be cautious when testing pre-release software.